Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Sparklandus, there were two princesses, Princess Ruby, the daughter of the wealthiest king, and Princess Lily, a humble princess with a heart of gold. Princess Ruby lived in a castle filled with glittering treasures. Her days were spent in grandeur, surrounded by opulence and luxury. However, her heart was not as rich as her possessions. On the other side of Sparklandus, Princess Lily lived in a humble cottage. Despite not having material wealth, Lily's kindness and generosity made her beloved by all the villagers. One day, an invitation to the royal ball arrived at Princess Ruby's doorstep. Excitement filled the air as the kingdom prepared for the grand event. Princess Lily, hearing about the ball, decided to use her meager resources to help the villagers prepare. Her kindness touched the hearts of everyone around. The royal ball commenced, with Princess Ruby showcasing her wealth in a dazzling gown. The kingdom marveled at her beauty, but something was missing. As the ball unfolded, a surprise guest arrived, Princess Lily, in a simple yet elegant dress. Her humility and kindness outshone all the riches in the room. Princess Ruby and Princess Lily met, and in that moment, they discovered that true wealth lies in the richness of the heart. A friendship blossomed that day, bridging the gap between their worlds. And so, in the magical kingdom of Sparklandus, Princess Ruby and Princess Lily prove that true wealth is found in kindness, friendship, and the love we share with others.